Hello student, welcome to Shankar Solution. Today my topic is Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem is a formula of probability. For better understanding, I am starting with an example. Okay. Suppose there are three identical boxes which contains three colors of balls: white, black and red. One box is chosen and one ball is drawn. It turns white. What is the probability that it is coming from second box? Okay. What is the speciality of this problem? There are three identical boxes. Okay. And three colors of ball. The number of balls is not important here. Main character of this problem is there are two parts. First part is one box is chosen. Okay. And second part is one ball is drawn. So there are two parts. First we have to choose a box, thereafter we have to draw a ball. Now it turns white. Okay. What is the probability that it is coming from second box? This is our main question. Okay. Now, so what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the probability of white ball from second box. This should be our numerator. And probability of coming all alternate cases of white ball should be our denominator. Okay, clear? Here we consider B1, B2, B3 is the name of the boxes. Okay, and white ball is considered as A. So the formula under Bayes theorem for this problem is PB2 by A equal to PB2 intersection A divided by PB1 intersection A plus PB2 intersection A plus PB3 intersection A. Okay. Now I am trying to explain the formula. PB2 by A. This means the question. PB2 by A means probability of white ball coming from second box. Okay. That is our main question. Next, PB2 intersection A. This is our variable cases. So what is B2 intersection A? First we have to select the box number 2. Then we have to draw the white ball. Okay. So this is our favorable cases. But what is the total number of cases? All possible cases of white ball are total outcomes. Okay. It may come from first box. It may come from second box. It may come from third box. Okay. These are the total outcomes. If we illustrate PB2 intersection A, we get two probability. First probability is this part PB2, that is selection of second box, and next part is PA in by B2. That means probability of white ball if second box is selected. Okay, that should be our numerator. And what should be our denominator? First we have to take the probability of box, and next we have to find the probability of white ball. Okay, so first we have to choose the probability of white ball coming from first box if first box is chosen. Okay, that means A by B1. Okay, this A by B1 means that. Similarly, white ball may come from other cases, PB2 into PA by B2. That means it come from second box, or it may come from third box. These three alternate case is our outcome, and our favorable case is only that white ball coming from second box. Okay, we have to solve the problem in this way. Okay, So hope you can understand, and this definition also you can understand. It is the P A by B2 means this one, and P A by B3 means this one. Probability of white ball A if third box is chosen. Okay. So after example, I come to the definition. Okay, or the formula also. Now come to our formula of Bayes theorem. First point is this theorem is applied for two or more mutually exclusive event. In example already I have spoke two or more. It may be more, two or more mutual exclusive event. As in our example, using a box and drawing a ball. Okay, for this way there are two mutual exclusive and exhaustive event. Next point, if an event A can occur only if one of the mutually exclusive and exhaustive set of event B1, B2, B3 up to Bn occurs. Okay. So there are, what is the fact that A can occur only if one of the mutual exclusive event out of A may come from B1, it may come from B2, it may come from B3, or it may come from Bn, but our one of the exclusive out of all exclusive, one of the mutual exclusive event is favorable to us. But A can occur only if one of the mutual exclusive event out of all mutual exclusive event, one event is favorable to us. Okay. Suppose that the unconditional probability, why unconditional? First we have to, as per our example, choosing the box. So choosing the box was unconditional. Okay. Next, then the conditional probability of P by A. So by A is a particular case, a specified event Bi when A is stated to have actually occurred. A is occurred means as per our example, white ball is drawn, but it coming from a specified event Bi. Okay. Therefore, the probability of P by A. Okay, so P by A is P by into P A by By. That is choosing the box and drawing the ball. Okay, and I tends to 1 to n. That means I will come from first box to second box. That is the summation. Here the question is summation. That means all probable outcomes of A, all probable outcomes of A where it may occur. Okay, for this way it is summation. What is the summation? It coming from first back to n back. Okay, therefore P Bi summation P By into P A by By. This is the total number of cases. Okay, and out of that one only event is favorable to us. This is known as Bayes theorem. Next we go to our problem part. Okay. Problem number 1. Three identical boxes 1, 2 and 3 contains respectively 4 white and 3 red balls, 3 white and 7 red balls, 2 white and 3 red balls. A box is chosen at random and a ball is drawn out of it. If the ball is found to be white, what is the probability the box 2 was selected? Now A is observed that probability drawn ball is white. Okay, our favorable case is what? White ball will come and it is coming from box 2. There are three boxes B1, B2 and B3. Therefore PB1, B2, PB2, probability of B2 and probability of B3 is 1/3 each. The probability of selecting white ball from B1. So we are selecting, already we have selected the B1 and therefore we are drawing a white ball, that is 4 by 7. Okay. Similarly from B2 equal to 3 by 10 and from B3 that is 2 by 5. The types number of balls already given in the question. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Therefore our favorable cases is it is coming from second box, but it is our favorable cases. But our probability of the favorable cases is white ball from all three boxes. this is coming from B1, this is coming from B2, and this is coming from B3. And favorable case is only B2. This means this is only about favorable cases. Okay, therefore putting the value, we get, putting the all three alternate cases, probability of box and along with probability of white ball, three alternate cases, we have to get the value 21/89. This is the answer. Okay, please check the calculation. Two machines produce the same type of product. The older machine produces 35% of the total output, but 8 in every 100 are normally defective. The newer machine produces 65% of the total output and 2 of every 100 are defective. So there are two machines, one is older and another is new. Older machine produces 8% defective and if new machine producing 2% defective. Determine the probability that defective product picked at random was produced by older machine. So our probability, or we have to calculate the defective product from older machine. But we have to clear the what are the outcomes. It is cleared by a tree diagram. Suppose 35%, that means the probability of a product which coming from old machine is 0.35, that is considered as PB1. Similarly, new machine is 0.65 because 65% product coming from new machine. Now defective item from old machine equal to 0.35 into 0.08, and another point is there that if defective item is 0.08, therefore good item from old machine is 0.92 because 1 minus 0.08. Similarly, defective item from new machine is 0.02, 2%, therefore good item should be 0.98. Therefore good item from old machine is 0.35 into 0.92 equal to 0.322. Okay. Similarly, defective item from new machine is 0.65 into 0.02 equal to 0.013, and thereafter good product from new machine equal to 0.65 into 0.98, 0.637. Total probability is 1. Okay. But what is our probability, or what is our probability in the question? As per this question, our question is the defective product coming from old machine. That is finalized that defective product has come, but it is coming from older machine. This probability is the our question. So what is our favorable cases? Favorable cases are defect probability of defective product from old machine divided by product probability of defective product from both machine or all machine. Okay. So we have to take only two probability. What is the probability of defective? That is the total outcome 0.28 and 0.13. These two only are taken, and our favorable cases is it is coming from old machine. So result come to 28/41. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Next. Here balls are more. The contents of three boxes are as follows: box 1, 1 white, 2 black and 3 red ball; box 2, 2 white, 1 black and 1 red ball; and box 3, 4 white and 5 black and 3 red balls. One box is chosen at random and two balls are drawn. They happened white and red. What is the probability that it come from second box? It is the question. So our favorable cases is white and red, and also it is will come from second box. So first we come to name of the box B1, B2 and B3, and probability of B1, B2, B3 is each one is 1/3 each. Therefore one white and one red ball is noted by A. Therefore PA by B1 means probability of one white and one red ball from first box, that is 1/5. We are applying combination formula, and out of 1 white, 2 black and 3 red ball, we have to 1 white and 1 red ball only. It becomes 1 by 5. Similarly, from second box it is 1 by 3, and similarly from third box is 2 by 11. So now the required probability, what is the required probability? Required probability is that 1 white and 1 red ball coming from second box. So firstly we have to make the denominator are that this outcome from 3 boxes is our total outcome, and favorable case is only this B2. Okay, this should be our numerator. Putting the value, we get the 55 by 118 is our answer. Okay, I hope that you have understood Bayes theorem. Please like this video, share it, comment in case of any queries. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get notification of my next video. Thank you.